What's up? What's good, you guys? It's your girl Courtney B here, and I'm back with yet another hair video. Y'all have been hounding me and in my DMs, in my emails, and every comment on YouTube asking about this hair. I did feature this hair in my previous vlog. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it down below. But you guys, I told you I was coming with a tutorial, and here it is, my girl. So for today's video, I have partnered up with Wiggins hair to bring you guys this 26-inch loose deep wave hair. All right, this hair is in 26 inches. Y'all know I ain't but 4'11", 5 feet on a good day, so this is literally half of my whole height. And I'm going to show you guys how I step by step install this wig. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. I'm going to take my Aussie hairspray and spray it onto the lace without it being cut. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and do section by section with the spray, making sure that everything is nice and tacked down to my forehead before I do some cutting to this lace. Now, I find this technique I've been doing to be the easiest because there's no rolling of the lace. The lace won't slide back after your lace is cut. And there's just no extra hassle, in my opinion. With this being sprayed before the lace is cut, you have a firmer hand on the lace and your placement of your wig, and you also can be a little bit more accurate in where you want your wig to lay. After I spray my lace, I'm going to thoroughly blow dry the lace so that way it's very tacky. Then I'm going to peel back a little bit of the lace so that I can start cutting the lace. Once I start cutting the lace, you guys will see that the lace is going to start turning white, which is perfectly fine. This is where you're going to go back in with the spray and spray down those parts and then blow dry again. There's a lot of blow drying in this method, which I don't mind. If you guys do mind, I suggest you guys do the regular method that I've done in the past, which I will also link down below. All right. After the lace is cut, I've created my ear tabs and I have sprayed down all of the white pieces. Then I'm going to blow dry one last time to make sure everything is intact and melted. Now I'm going to jump into making this lace match my skin. Now I just want to point out that this is HD lace, meaning that it is meant to blend better with your skin. Now, as y'all can see, your girl got on makeup, your girl got on the full beat, and your girl is laid. So it's not going to have the same effect if you guys have on makeup. This type of technology when it comes to lace is suited best for a fresh face, clean skin. It's going to match your skin, not your makeup. So I have to go in with my makeup color that I am wearing to make the lace match my beat face. Okay, you guys understand? So if you have a fresh face, you're putting this wig on with no makeup on, you're gonna see a much better result when it comes to blending into your skin. If you have on makeup, you have to do a little bit more tweaking, a little bit more things here and there to make everything look blended together, but that's just a little FYI. After my lace color is matching my face, now I'm gonna go in and do some baby hair. We all love baby hair, but it is for me. All right, cool. After baby hairs, that is pretty much it. The rest of this video is me just styling the hair, and I know I've been talking y'all ear off long enough, child, so I'ma just hush, let y'all vibe to some music, and I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.
And just like that, you guys, that is how your girl installs her wiggy wigs. Y'all, I am in love with this texture, this length, this density. This is 200% density. And girl, when I say sis is a thick girl, she is a thick girl. She did not come to play. She is not one of those girls, period. A big shout out does go out to Wiggins Hair for helping me bring you guys today's video. Thank you guys so much for partnering up with me. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to the channel down below. And yeah.